Creating a workflow in ERPNext allows you to automate business processes by defining stages and actions for document approvals or transitions. Here's how to create a workflow. Log into ERPNext. Log into your ERPNext instance as an administrator. Navigate to the Workflow module. Go to the Settings module. Under Automation, click on Workflow. Create a new workflow. Click on New to create a new workflow. Select the document tab you want the workflow to apply to. Define workflow states. In the workflow states section, define the different stages the document will go through. Each state represents a point in the workflow where the document can be acted upon. Set actions and transitions. Define actions that can take place when a document moves between states. For example, the document might need approval or can be sent for further processing. Set the transition rules to specify which user roles are allowed to transition the document from one state to another. Save the workflow. After defining all states and transitions, click Save. Activate the workflow. The workflow is now active and documents will follow the defined process flow.